Hi, in today's video I'm going to show you this quick little gift project. These are gifts that I'm putting inside my August thank you gift packages for people that shopped with me and used the host code. So I just thought I'd show you how to make them, and I'll show you what they hold in a minute. Just before I start, at the time of recording this video, the new holiday catalogue is about a week away from launching. I'm not allowed to show you the inside of the catalogue. If you've shopped with me this year, you will be receiving one of these for free. If you haven't shopped with me and you fancy having a look at the Stampin' Up products and you would like a catalogue, there are links on my website how to order a catalogue. Or if you would just like the holiday catalogue, then contact me through my website www.applelover53.co.uk. There's a contact page and just say that you want the holiday catalogue. So this is what's inside the little package. It's just a little bar of white chocolate. These were from Aldi. They were in a pack of 5. So I'm sending my host code users a little gift and a handmade card, and this is going to go inside the packet as well. This particular designer series paper was from the Gingham Gala that was out earlier on in the year, but in our 6x6 colour family stacks, this is the subtles, there are checks. So if it's the, the gingham effect that you like, there are checks within the stacks. So the first thing I need to do is cut this paper to 5 1/4 by 5 1/2. I'm going to move the blade out of the way, and on the 5 1/4 inch side I'm going to score it at 2 inches, 2 3/8, 4 3/8, and 4 3/4. Then I'm going to rotate it to the 5 1/2 inch side, and I'm going to score it at 7/16 on each end. Is there? And I'm just working my way backwards from the inch. So these are all 16ths, so now I'm going to fold and burnish on all the score lines. It's not that easy to see them on gingham paper, to be honest. So on the ends where you've got the 2 7/8, they're your top and your bottom. So one end you've got a narrow section, and then on the other end you've got a wider section. So on this narrow section, I'm going to remove the bottom right hand square and the top one. Then where you've got the narrow sections, I'm going to cut up to the first score line, and then you've got another one here. Going to turn it round and do the same. And on these small ones now, I'm going to ever so slightly notch them, just to take away some of the edge of from the score lines. And I'm going to do the same. So if you fold the bigger sections out of the way, you'll have these two little flaps. So I'll open it out and you can see what it looks like. Okay, so this section here is going to be where you're going to glue it together. So I'm going to bring in my silicone mat, and I'm going to use some snail, and I'm going to run it down that narrow edge. And give that a burnish. This is how your little box is looking now. So this is where I've stuck it together, so this is the back. So I'm going to fold in the flaps, fold in the back, and put some adhesive on this tab. So if I open it out, should be able to get the adhesive on there. So fold in your flaps, bring over the back, and then bring over, and then I would just put your bone folder inside to press that down. I'm going to bring in my little bar of chocolate, pop it in, just going to apply a little bit. Where's my back? So this is the front. I'm just going to pop the flaps in. Bring the front over. You don't have to glue the top because I'm going to put some flax ribbon round it. But if you just want to hold it in place. Now, to save some time, I've stamped the cow from the Over the Moon stamp set, and I've coloured it in with my blends. I've used light smoky slate for the grey, light calypso coral to match in with the paper, and I've used light old olive for the leaves. and this has just been stamped onto Whisper White. I've used the For You greeting, which I've stamped from the Hugs from Shelley stamp set, which was in the April 2019 UK paper pumpkin. I'm just going to cut into the middle with my scissors and then go from the edge to the middle just to make a little banner. And then I've got a piece of flax ribbon 16 or 17 inches long, and I've cut down one edge to take the seam off, and then you can pull the threads apart. So I'm taking 2 threads and I'm just going to wrap it around my little bar of chocolate, and I'm going to tie it at the top as best I can in a little bow. Just going to trim the ends. I'm going to bring in some dimensionals and just put one on either side. And that's going to be positioned like so. And then I'm just going to get my little greeting and I'm going to put that across the top. And again, I'm going to put this on a dimensional, but a mini dimensional this time. So there's the one I've already made, and there's the one I've just made. So I've got several more of these to make, and as I say, they're going to go into my customer thank you packages along with some other treats for everybody that shopped with me in the month of August. So I hope you like that project. Please give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you don't already do so. And I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.